Hi, I'm Mustafa. I'm Azure MVP.
Hi, I'm Sasha. I'm also an Azure MVP. The Collabsummit is taking place in May in Germany. I think it's a wonderful conference. It's of a great speakers, great sessions, fantastic lineup, and there's a lot to learn and there is a lot to see. And I suggest to anyone who wants to have the latest news and knowledge in cloud technology and Microsoft technologies to get there and be there and learn as much as possible.
Collabsummit is probably best community conference you could go. Fantastic speaker lineup, great atmosphere, a lot to learn. It's going to be amazing. In our tutorial this year, we're gonna do Azure from scratch to architectural bits. We are gonna try to cover everything from basic Azure deployments to architecting your solutions with security and DevOps and stuff.
There's going to be pretty much something for everyone, including infrastructure as a service and platform as a service as well. And as well, what's more important, we will address the security perspective and address the security features and architecture in Azure as well. So there's a lot to learn, really feature-packed and intensive workshop. And I suggest that if you want to get a jump start in Azure and to be in front of the others, so to join us and to learn as much as possible.